When looking at our place in the universe, we are just a medium-sized planet orbiting a medium-sized star in a galaxy of 100 billion stars. Earth is unique, however, because we are the only known planet that can support life. Life on our planet can be seen in many unique and harsh environments, which helps us while looking for life in other places of the universe. We can find life all over Earth in extreme temperatures environments that are extremely hot or cold, or environments with little to no water. We also find life such as bacteria in natural hot springs and bacteria that can survive in radioactive waste. Life can also survive in the deepest depths of the ocean, surviving severe pressures and cold temperatures. So you may wonder, what conditions does life need to exist? The first cells appeared on Earth about 3.5 billion years ago. Although biologists still argue about how exactly this happened, there are no disputes about the basic requirements for life. First of all, a liquid solvent is necessary for life to exist. Secondly, complex chemistry is necessary for life to survive. Elements like hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur are all considered to be essential for life. Lastly, an energy source is required for organisms to grow, reproduce, and respond to their environments, as well as protection from harmful UV light. Together, these conditions are necessary for life to exist. Now that we know what the necessary conditions are for life to exist, we can now better understand if there is life beyond Earth. While there's no confirmed life outside of Earth, there is hope. Scientists have been able to discover vast amounts of cosmic turf, but have not yet found life elsewhere. Our best chance of finding life is by finding planets within the habitable zone of a star, or the region around a star with which planets can support liquid water at their surface. We can assume a habitable exoplanet is about the distance from a star that is the same temperature of Earth. When we search for life outside our solar system, we focus on finding planets which characteristics mimic that of Earth. While planets have been previously found in the habitable zone of stars, they're all at least 40% larger in size than Earth, and understanding their makeup is challenging. Scientists know that most known exoplanets are much larger and hotter than Earth, with many planets orbiting close to their stars. So are there other planets out there that may be in the habitable zone and may have life on them? Scientists use the Kepler Space Telescope, which uses the transit method to detect possible exoplanets orbiting around stars to help answer this question. Based on Kepler's data, there could be as many as 40 billion Earth-sized planets orbiting in the habitable zones of Sun-like and red dwarfs within the Milky Way. There is one exoplanet that seems to be especially promising. Kepler 186f is the first Earth-sized planet to be discovered in the habitable zone of another star. It is in the Kepler 186 system, about 500 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Cygnus. Although Kepler 186f orbits about 3 times closer to its star than Earth does to the Sun, Kepler 186f orbits an M-dwarf star, which is cooler than our Sun. This star only gives 1/3 the energy that Earth receives from our Sun, and its brightness at noon is only as bright as our Sun an hour before sunset. In addition, Kepler 186f is only 10% larger in diameter than Earth and has a 130-day orbit. In conclusion, there are many potential places in our universe where life may be able to exist. After looking at all the extreme places life can exist on our planet, it may not be so wild to believe life could exist on other planets. Especially in planets where the habitable zone is similar temperature and size as Earth, life could be a definite possibility.